Here I have Nokia 5 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern or a password protection on the following phone. At the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power button, let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to use your charger, your micro USB charger, and you need to connect your device to a charger, so let me do it. Afterwards, let's start holding power key and volume up, so keep holding these two keys, power key and volume up, and let's keep holding them for a couple of seconds. The Android logo pops up again on the screen. Let's keep holding the two keys, and as soon as the Android logo disappears, you can release both keys. So now, and as you can see, the Android recovery just pops up. Now you can disconnect your device from a charger, and you can use the Android recovery mode. You can navigate here by using both volume keys, scroll down to highlight wipe data factory reset, press power key to choose it, then scroll down again to yes and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is erasing all personal stuff, customize settings, install apps, so basically everything, including the passwords and patterns. And as soon as Android recovery mode pops up again on the screen, press power key to reboot system now. And the device is restarting and rebooting, so let's wait a few seconds until everything will be completed. And the welcome panel just pops up, and as you can see, there is no pattern or a password protection, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.